So Jennifer and I got quite a bit done this weekend. We rented a trencher and we put trench around the house for an irrigation system, and then we put in a trench for electrical conduit going from the hangar over to the house. And then we got quite a bit more done today on Monday, which I'll show you here in a little bit. All weekend with a pick and shovel in a trencher, which we had to fix. We got a little more work done today on Monday. Yay, concrete! Dancing concrete trucks. What do you think about the concrete?